Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Nothing Phone in a couple of minutes. Let's go. This smartphone has aroused great interest. Of course, the size of this very interest is relative. However, this is, in fact, a no-name company. Such interest in her first device in a new segment long before the release can only be called excessive hype. And now Nothing Phone 1 came out. From the side it seemed that the interest was artificial. He puffed in as if nothing had happened. No one really needs a smartphone. But let's still figure out what it is. The screen is good, 120 Hz is pleasing to the eye, the brightness is enough in most cases. Until you go outside. If you follow the hysteria around Nothing, then you know that journalists caught the company in overstated display specifications. Like, the brightness is not 1000 nits, but less than 700. Unfortunately, we don't have a device that measures brightness at hand, but when used outdoors on a bright sunny day, it becomes clear that something is wrong here. At these moments, it seems that the brightness is fundamentally lacking. All Nothing Phone 1 received a Snapdragon 778 Plus system on chip. The smartphone received a battery with a nominal capacity of 4,500 mAh. There is no power supply included, but 33W support is declared. Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 4.0 standards are supported. There's also 15W wireless charging and 5W reverse wireless charging for headphones. In terms of battery life, the Nothing Phone 1 isn't surprising in either direction. It's just enough. The smartphone will withstand one light day for sure. In which case, you can get 48 to 50% of the charge from a 33-watt power supply in half an hour. Maximum resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second. The smartphone runs on Android 12 with a few touches of its own design. The official representative of Nothing said that Phone 1 will receive Android 13 in mid-2023, while Xiaomi and Samsung are already testing Android 13 on their devices. The smartphone turned out to be ambiguous, what was expected from Carl Pei and what he apparently wanted. It got a unique design, but how often will you notice it after a week of living with a smartphone? This concludes the review. Bye bye.